All right, good morning. Today's August 4th, 2021. We're at B&B Racing Chassis. We're going to go ahead and give our hand a try at this vlogging stuff. Kind of let you guys know what we do on a day-to-day basis, whether it's parts, building race cars, getting tires. We do a lot here, so there's just a lot going on. We are right now gearing up for the stock car shootout at the Arlington Raceway. We have two house cars that will be running out there. Matt Loft in the 9 car and stock car, that is, and 99 of Kurt Wand. And so anyways, just kind of give you a little tour here quick. We got 2 cars on the jig, putting body on one, making repairs to the 9 car, and we got cars waiting on whatnot. So just a quick little tour. What you doing, Ben?
You know, just putting the body together.
So this is 2 of 2 house cars in the stock car class. Getting ready for tonight. Lyle's working on the back tin work for that car. Got our little buddy Fast Orange here. So yeah, just some action from the shop here. Alrighty, so just got a phone call that the one of our cars is done at powder coat, so I'm gonna take off and head down there and pick that up. So I got the trusty old white pickup truck here. Hopefully it gets me there and back. Just kidding, it's never failed me yet. So I'm gonna take off, head down there, pick that up. I'll show you more when we get there. Alright. so we are ready to go. So we they call this the runway up here. So we come up here, try not to hit this big truck that's just hanging out here. Try not to hit anything that's powder coated here for somebody else. But as you can see, I got a chassis sitting here off to my right. There's another race car there. I'm not sure whose that is, so I don't want to be taking a picture of that one. One thing that they did tell me is I can vlog this, but more importantly, just to get our stuff in there, not anybody else's. So once we get here, one of the guys usually comes up here and meets us. So this is the hot rod we're picking up today. It's all fresh powder. Just kind of take a peek at it, make sure everything looks good. And you know, that's one thing that we've never had to do. We've never had to send anything back. So that's pretty cool. They usually do a stellar job. Alright, so we're going to get this bad boy loaded up. Bucket full of goodies. Alright, so the car's loaded. We are on our journey back to the race shop. I don't know how much work we'll get done on this tonight because like I said, we got the big stock car shootout tonight. So we'll probably get back. I know Lyle had to leave early. His son drives a sport mod. He'll be racing tonight. Ben will probably be leaving early tonight because, well, let's just put it this way. The whole shop besides Luke will probably be leaving early tonight. I have to work at the racetrack. Ben's got to get the 2 house cars ready to rock. Lyle's got to get his kid's car loaded up, ready to go. Pit gate opens up at 4. So, yeah, we're just going to get this back and get it unloaded, get it inside the shop at least, and then probably start turning it into a roller tomorrow. So then it can go get its body on and get ready to head to Texas. All right, see you guys later. Alrighty. Getting back to the shop, pull in, get this bad boy unloaded, and see what's gotten done at the shop while we are gone. I'm bad at turning on my blinker here, but we'll give her a whirl. Whoa. just park this out of the way for now. The shop's a tad bit full. Up here is where we store all of our trailers and parts and trailers and more trailers and RVs and trucks, cars. We got all of our frames.